This question involves drawing a pie chart, and I took it from a worksheet. And it says, this table gives information about the numbers of fish in a lake. So there's 3 types of fish: perch, bream and carp. And there are 10 perch, 23 bream and 39 carp. And as often happens in exam questions like this, they give you a circle with a line. Sometimes the line is like this, sometimes it's like this, to help start you off with the pie chart. So the pie chart will have 3 sectors, one for each of these. And we need to figure out what the angle of each sector is. So the very first thing that you do is you will add up how many fish there are. So 10 plus 23 plus 39. And when you do that, you get the answer 72. You will always do that, okay? So you will add up the frequency and get the total. The next thing you have to do is work out how many degrees for one fish. So there are 72 fish, and in a circle there are 360 degrees. So you do 360 divided by 72. For a different question, of course, that will be a different number, but never mind. You do 360 divided by the total. And when you do that, you do 360 divided by 72, you get the answer 5. So each fish is 5 degrees. And so, for the perch, there are 10 perch. You times that by 5 and you get 50 degrees. Bream, 23 bream, so you do 23 times 5, and that's going to give you, when you work it out, 115. And carp, there are 39 carp. And when you times that by 5, you will get 195 degrees. So now you have all the information that you need to draw your pie chart. So the sector for perch will be 50 degrees. The sector for bream will be 115 degrees. And the sector for carp will be 195 degrees. All together, they must add up to 360. So you can check that in case you made a mistake. Okay, so now we're going to draw this. I'm just going to turn this sideways, but it's easier to demonstrate sideways. You get your protractor and you put your 0 along the line and make sure that it's properly centered. So I can't see all that well over here, but we'll go with this. Okay, so I've centered it and I've put the 0 along there, and we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I'm going to do this in pencil, I guess. So I'll pick up a pencil and put a little mark at 50 degrees. And then you get a ruler and you draw the line like this. Okay, so the sector for perch is here, 50 degrees. Now probably the best thing to do is you turn the page a bit more, and now the 0 will be along the line that you've just drawn. So you line up the 0 like that. Like that. And for bream, it's 115 degrees. So we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and it's 115. And you draw the line like this. There's no need to draw the other sector because it's already done. There are only 3 of them. So after you've done 2 of them, then the third one is ready. But check your angles, measure them carefully, make sure that you've done them accurately. Okay? And there's only one thing left, which is to label. So perch goes here, bream goes here, carp goes here. Alright, so I hope this makes everything clearer.